play out some of those highlights for you of what Rahul Gandhi said today in Parliament while welcoming and congratulating Speaker Om Birla.
Speaker, sir, this House represents the voice of India's people. And you, Speaker, sir, are the final arbiter of that voice. Of course, the government has political power, but the opposition also represents the voice of India's people. Speaker, sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House. I am confident that you will allow us to represent our voice, allow us to speak, allow us to represent the voice of the people of India. Speaker, sir, the question is not how efficiently the House is run. The question is how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this House. So the idea, Speaker, sir, the idea that you can run the House efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea.
So it was a short speech by Rahul Gandhi, but essentially drove home the point that the opposition wanted to send across, that the voice of the opposition now must be heard in the House. And that was the message Rahul Gandhi put forth this morning, right after a handshake with Prime Minister Modi, who was also there, of course, to welcome and congratulate Speaker Om Birla. So let's get to that significant highlight from Parliament today. Om Birla, three-time BJP MP, elected historically for a second term as Lok Sabha Speaker after he defeated the opposition's candidate K. Suresh via voice vote. It's a rare contest that you see essentially in Parliament. Only the third time that it's happened, but it was expected to be smooth sailing for Om Birla. Now, we also, interestingly, hours after that, after speeches by both the opposition and the Treasury benches welcoming Om Birla, a political fight breaking out, sloganeering, ruckus, all of that playing out in Parliament and outside over the emergency anniversary being raised by Speaker Om Birla. Let's get you all of those details, highlights of what played out in Parliament in our next report.
Shri Om Birla is declared elected as the Speaker of this House.
Om Birla is back in the Speaker's chair in the Lok Sabha, becoming only the second presiding officer to return after having served a full term after Congress's Balram Jakhar. The NDA candidate won against opposition's K. Suresh after a voice note.
Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it.
In a rare moment of bonhomie, the Prime Minister, newly appointed LOP, then escorted Om Birla to the Speaker's chair.
आपके चेयर है, आप संभालें. Please.
आपकी अध्यक्षता में संसद में जो ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुए हैं, आपकी अध्यक्षता में सदन के माध्यम से जो सुधार हुए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक सदन की भी और आपकी भी विरासत है.
The opposition, however, had some terse words for Om Birla.
Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House.
आपका अंकुश विपक्ष पे तो रहता ही है, लेकिन आपका अंकुश सत्ता पक्ष पे भी रहे।
150 लोग जब सस्पेंड हुए तो हम सबको बहुत दुख हुआ सर। तो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि अगले 5 सालों में इस सस्पेंशन का आप ना सोचे, बातचीत हो सकती है, हमेशा हम डायलॉग के लिए तैयार रहते हैं।
But a storm erupted in Parliament soon after when the Speaker invoked the emergency.
भारत की पहचान पूरी दुनिया में लोकतंत्र की जननी के तौर पर है। भारत में हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों और वाद संवाद का समर्थन हुआ, हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों की सुरक्षा की, उन्हें हमेशा प्रोत्साहित किया गया। ऐसे भारत पर श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी द्वारा तानाशाही थोप दी गई, भारत के लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को कुचला गया और अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी का गला घोटा गया।
Inside Lok Sabha, the opposition raised slogans in protest. Outside, the BJP staged a big protest.
ये बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक दिन था जब काली इमरजेंसी के 50 साल पूरे हुए, तो आज 18वीं संसद में माननीय स्पीकर साहब ने इस प्रस्ताव के माध्यम से वो सच्चाई रखी। सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंदिरा गांधी की कुर्सी बचाने के लिए ये इमरजेंसी लगाई गई थी।
ये तमाम बीजेपी के लोगों ने जो आज किया है वो दिखावा किया है। ऐसा नहीं कि केवल उस समय वही जेल गए हों। समाजवादी नेता और समाजवादी उस समय के जितने जनता पार्टी या तमाम नेताओं ने भी उस समय को देखा, लेकिन हम पीछे मुड़ के कितना देखें, हम पास्ट को कितना देखें, भविष्य हमारे सामने क्या है।
आपको
After Om Birla's statement in the House, Prime Minister Modi to put out a message thanking him for speaking on the emergency. He also attacked the Gandhis and the Congress, saying that the emergency era exemplified dictatorship. The Parliament showdown is only set to escalate. With Piyush Mishra, Mausami Singh and Ashutosh, Bureau Report, India Today.